know if this is going to show up very well or not. Let's see how that does. Maybe that's far enough away. Alright, so today I have gotten an oven to do these 10 or 80 drums to do the bushings, and I got it off of Amazon. Here's our model number. I will post a link as long as everything turns out okay. If you end up seeing this video, then everything turned out okay on this thing and it worked well. So go ahead and open this up, see what all we got. Looks like we got a spit to do chicken and stuff, I guess. I'm not going to need anything. Actually, what we're going to end up doing is emptying this out and just using it empty. Alright, what do we got in here? And we got skewers for doing kebabs. So what we're concerned with is this part all by its lonesome. I think this ended up being like $80 something, so not too bad. Go ahead and take all the trays out and take all this stuff home and use that at home. I think probably what I'll do, instead of using the tray here, let's see, what about this tray? Is it going to fit in there? Not really. Main thing is to see if this is going to fit in here, and it looks like it'll fit fine. Yeah, so I don't know if maybe I want to use this tray or not. I don't think it really needs it. Maybe keep that burner from being quite so close to it. We've got a burner in the top. Let's see, what about moving it up? Maybe doing it right there. So, fits fine and everything. Next step is going to be to put one of these in there, without the rubber on it, of course, and heat it up and see how much easier we'll just go that way. See how much easier the bushing goes in. So we got our temp is go all the way up to broil. Probably 250 is what we're going to run it at. We got a timer so we can put it stay on, or we can do it for about an hour. It's probably about what I'm going to need to keep it in there is about an hour. Put it on bake. Alright, let's get a drum. I got one finally, so once we get the okay on it, this drum's already been done. Once we get the okay on it, we're gonna get it going. Okay, that oven is the way to go. It made it, putting it in like butter. And it was also on a support, or not a support, on a drum that the bushing had not spun in yet, so far as I'm concerned, that's probably the real test right there, because it should be a little bit more difficult to do the bushing on one that hasn't spun yet. So you're going to need something to hold on to it with. I bought a pair of gloves from Snap-on. There's the number or what they are. My hands are pretty big, so I had to get the extra large. I will say this, you hold on, of course, this shouldn't be no surprise, but you hold on to that drum long enough, it gets pretty damn hot. But these gloves will keep it from burning you, and it worked perfectly for doing it and getting the bushing in the right spot. Lube it up just a little bit. I just used the blue assembly gel, and like I said, it went in like butter. So I'll put a link for the oven, who I bought it from, and then I'll put the glove. I can't put a link, but I can put what they are. So I would say if you're going to do the bushing, this is the way to go. Buy that oven.